certified health nut here. Excited to announce that I'll be at Bhakti Fest this year, September 25th through the 30th. And so on September 26th, Thursday, 1 p.m., I'll be at the Men's Sacred Space teaching Dream, Purpose, Legacy Workshop. Where there is no vision, the people will perish. It's very important that man has purpose. So he gets out of the bed and he knows where he's going, his direction, day to day, year by year. On Sunday at 9:30 a.m., I'll be teaching the keys to longevity, the 9 pillars of health, the 7 factors of stress that destroy health, and the 5 detoxification pathways that restore health. I will have architect goddess Carolina Rocha with me, as well as Miss Health Nut. I look forward to seeing everyone there at Bhakti Fest.